Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. At my local thrift store, someone donated a whole collection of stamps. There were 20 or 30 different boxes, and I bought a few. I also picked up a few of these wooden birdhouses. There was a pile of them. And I proceeded to test a few of the different stamps out on a few of the different birdhouses. And as you can see, these I put flowers on all the way around. Still needed a little something, so I took a makeup sponge and some of my black chalk paint and just highlighted around a few of them. After I did all of this, I took some of those stamps you seen just a moment ago and decided I was going to try to make a roof. Now, 3 of these are in the booth for sale, but I did keep one at home just because they're so cute and they really go with all of my different birds and tucked into the different plants. With this little boy and girl on a rocking horse, my girlfriend was going to throw those away. And I said, yeah, I'll take them. I put them in the booth. They never sold. I didn't expect them to sell. They were free. But I pulled them back out of the booth and I thought, what can I do to these guys? What can I do to make them interesting? So I spray painted them both black, front, top, back, sides. And then I took a gold paint pen that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I went around on both of these figurines and highlighted all of the pieces on the horse, such as, this thing. I don't know what they're called. They go around the horse and just kind of make it look pretty, kind of give it that rocking horse or, merry-go-round feel. But anyway, I went around and did that to both of them. I know you guys probably think I'm crazy, but I think they look so much better. It's something more like I would like to have sitting on one of my shelves. It's interesting. So quirky, so funny. If you too are like me and like quirky, funny, never seen before things, you can find these for sale in my booth at Dragonfly Antiques, along with everything else in this video. This pot had the most horriblest paint job. You can see it kind of on the inside rim there, and there was just a flower on each side. I simply took a can of that spray paint, I think it's in caramel, spray painted it, and then did the splatter with white, and ta-da, a beautiful new vase. Also for sale in the booth. So this bird cage had been in the booth since January. It hadn't sold, so I brought it home. hit it with a coat of black spray paint and took her back up there. If you like that, you can find that at Dragonfly Antiques. Just a little bit of history with these chairs. I got them at my first store in 2005, and they were in I cleaned out a locker or something, and essentially they were free. I sold everything else. Gave them to my oldest daughter when she moved out, and she painted them this turquoise color, and she got sick of them. She gave them back to me. Well, I don't want them anymore, and I don't want to repaint them. So I put a couple of these rub-on transfers and just kind of, tried to fancy them up. To me, the chairs were free, so I have a really, really good price on them. You can find them up at my booth. Recently, I moved into a new booth, much larger booth. That's why I'm doing all of these flips, so that I can fill it up. That video will be out in the next couple of days. Found this at the thrift store. I think it was $1. It might have been $2. It came with the little containers on the inside of it. It's that wood kind of thing. I know you guys have seen them before. I'd never seen them with the containers, but I thought to myself, how can I fancy these up? So I put on some of those rub-on transfers, and this turned out so stinking cute. Instead of doing a haul video for just this little bit, I thought I would include it here. I picked up all of these items for $9. Everything, housewares, decor was 50% off. I picked all these things up. They will be going into the booth. I just did not need to do anything to them. They didn't need a paint job. They didn't need anything. I added some flowers to the vases. But anyway, if you're interested in any of these, you need to check out Dragonfly Antiques. Now, one of my favorite things that I bought, of course, was this bowl. I think I paid $1 for it. But one of my favorite things, and I just love this, I never buy this kind of stuff, but was this cross stitch. Isn't it absolutely lovely? It would go in so many places. I paid $2.50 for this. It is for sale in the booth for a pretty good price. Be on the lookout for the next video of me moving into the new improved booth. Hopefully it'll be out tomorrow. Make sure you're following me on all of my social media platforms, especially Instagram. A lot of things go there that don't make it to my YouTube channel. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.